The reason it's important for us to come out today is I'm hoping that at least about 20 of these kids actually have a guidance and they say, you know what, I want to be a helicopter pilot. I saw it, it was neat, and I know that if I stay in school, that one day I can do what those guys did. Looks like a lot of fun, and I think that they see that there's a need for it. If air is being pushed down, what's the helicopter going to do? It's going to go up. So now I went up in the air and I want to go forward. Now I push forward on the cyclic, which changes the disc rotor, okay? Now I'm going forward.
The helicopter will go a lot faster than what it's supposed to, but if it starts going too fast, things can start flying off of it because it's not designed to go over a certain knot. We don't refer to them as miles per hour, we carry them as knots.
Yesterday, how many bad guys you catch yesterday? Caught 3 bad guys yesterday. Out there, he did an excellent job. So that's what we do. We go out and catch bad guys using this state-of-the-art helicopter. We currently are going to have 13 helicopters flying the city of Houston. Now, we do come to Friendswood. When the Friendswood Police Department needs us, they call up, and we come down there to help you guys out. So if you ever see the blue and white helicopter, that's us coming down here to help Friendswood. What we want you guys to do is stay in school, because if you don't get a college education and you don't do well in school, and if you get in trouble, you can never be a police officer or be in the military, so you would never be able to fly one of these machines. So you need to stay in school, mathematics, high grades, but I don't want to see too much less than a C if I'm looking for a helicopter pilot. And obviously if you ever did drugs, that's a no-no.